Hello, my name is Vihaan Dutta and I'm from the 7th Congressional District of Virginia. My program for the 2021 Congressional App Challenge is named AutoSort. I was influenced to create AutoSort by dealing with and hearing my fellow students and teachers in online school complaining about their desktops being unorganized. Some mentioned having hundreds of files in different types of files all over their computers. Although at the time I was hearing this, I was not highly adept at Python, I was determined to create a program to resolve this issue. This idea eventually became the foundation of the application AutoSort. The purpose of AutoSort is to simplify sorting and copying files by providing a GUI for users. As mentioned before, this application has been developed with having students and teachers in mind. To address the app being simple for everyone to use, I had to develop the application's front end with clarity. I had also created a unique feature in AutoSort, which I'm about to showcase. Here's AutoSort. I have developed it specially so that there is no installation necessary. It is a single file, and as we open it up, we will be presented with a UI. The unique feature I was talking about before resides in the console right here, which I'll show in action in a moment. Firstly, let me run through here. You could select several directories and you can select where to copy to here. If it is not the correct directories, you can always erase from inside the UI. Let's do a copy. Let's do single folder creation and sort each file type. Now, let's select our source directories and our destination directory. Now, let's run the program. After it's done copying, we can see everything inside the console. At the top, we will see that it discovered how many files there is to copy from both the directories. It started in the first directory we mentioned, and after it got to the second directory, it mentioned it as well. At the end, it cleaned up all the program processes and finished. Now let's go to the folder here. We can see that it created a single folder, as I mentioned, and it sorted each of the files inside. To develop my program, I had to use a few tools along the way. Here's what I used to create my program AutoSort. One of the tools I utilized in creating AutoSort is Visual Studio Code by Microsoft. As you could see, I divided my program into 3 Python files to make it easier to code. This file here contains the actual GUI portion of AutoSort. In the second file, there's the logic of how the sorting and copying works, and this third file here just aids the second file in doing that function. Here is Qt Designer. It enabled me to create a well-responding interface due to its blueprinting features shown in the preview and in the sidebar. Also, the cover photograph for AutoSort had been created in Photoshop. Now, if you wish to see all of the code and files for AutoSort, the link is shown for the project's GitHub. Thank you for watching.